is Ian with RLB Motorsports, and today we are installing the RLB dash mount in a CanAm X3. This dash mount allows you to install a PRO8 and a rugged or PCI intercom and radio. So let's get started. This is the dash mount in its package. It comes with all the different parts and pieces that you need, including detailed instructions of how to install. So the first thing you want to do is take out your engine start stop button. So what you want to do is to unplug it from behind the dash, and there's a plastic nut on the back of the switch. So once you get that undone, your switch comes out the front of the dash. Included in the kit is a cutting template. What you want to do is cut the template out and peel the sticker off and place it on your dash like we have here. Once you have it placed on your dash, begin the cutting process. Now that we have the dash cut out like you see here, let's go install everything in the faceplate. Now that we have everything installed into the faceplate, I went ahead and installed the faceplate into the dash along with the two side pieces. So what you want to do is grab the two bolts and bolt it down in the front of the shifter in the factory location. There's also two bolts on either side that bolt the two side pieces to the faceplate itself. There's one self-tapping screw on either side on the very top that self-taps itself to the plastic of the dash. There's two pop rivets in the very back of the dash on either side, and your stop-start button is relocated on the driver's side and the top by your knee. Once you have all that done, your dash mount is installed. If you have any questions on how to install our dash mount or any of our other product, please email us or give us a call. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications.